Welcome to Stage 4, where we learn how to find things. Meet Tom. 6 months ago, he saved a file called notes.txt, and today he needs it back. Trouble is, he can't remember where he put it. Documents, downloads, some old project folder. Instead of clicking through every folder for hours, Tom needs one command that searches everywhere for him. That command is find, 4 little letters, and the most powerful search tool in Linux. So what does find actually do for Tom? It walks. Starting from a folder you choose, it steps into every subfolder beneath it, looking at each file along the way and asking one simple question: does this match the rules? If yes, it prints the full path. If no, it moves on. And those rules are flexible. Search by name, by type, by size, by when something was changed. No indexing, no waiting. Just a fast live search party combing through your system until Tom's notes.txt turns up. So let's give Tom his first real try. The syntax is simple. Type find, then the path where you want to start, then the criteria for what you're looking for. Here, the dot just means start right where I'm standing in the current folder. Add -name and the file name in quotes, and find walks every subfolder, printing each match it discovers. 3 notes.txt files found in seconds. And remember this order: path first, criteria second. It's the opposite of CP and MV, so it trips people up early. But what if Tom doesn't remember the exact name? That's where wildcards come in. The star matches any characters, so -name star.log finds every log file in the tree. Put report star and you catch anything beginning with report. Report.pdf, report q4.csv, you name it. And if capitalization is uncertain, swap in -name instead, and it'll match .pdf, .pdf, and .pdf all at once. One golden rule, though: always wrap your pattern in quotes, or the shell grabs that star before find ever sees it. Names are just the beginning. Find can also filter by what a file is, how big it is, and when it last changed. -type F narrows things to regular files, -type D to directories. -size plus 10M finds anything larger than 10 megabytes, perfect for hunting disk hogs. And -mtime -7 shows what's changed in the last week. The real magic? Stack them. Type F, size plus 10M, mtime plus 30. That's big old files just waiting to be cleaned up. Let's see this in action. Mia's server is full and she needs answers fast. Her first command searches var for regular files over 100 megabytes. 3 candidates pop up. But she goes further, adding mtime plus 180 to find what's also older than 6 months. 1 match, a year-old backup archive, safe to move off the server. 2 commands, problem solved. Now here's a trap that catches almost everyone. When you type find .name star.txt without quotes, the shell jumps in first and expands that wildcard before find ever sees it. The result? A cryptic error. Paths must precede expression. The fix is simple. Wrap your pattern in quotes, single or double, it doesn't matter. That tells the shell to keep its hands off and let find do the matching itself. Make it a habit. Always quote your wildcards. Once Tom can find his files, the real magic begins, because find's output is just a list of paths, and that's perfect fuel for other commands. Pipe it into grep to search inside those files. Combine it with rm to clean up old junk, but always preview first. Or use find's built-in exec to run any command on each match where curly braces stand in for the file it found. Locate, then act. Now it's your turn. 3 quick exercises, 3 minutes total. Hop into your home folder with cd tilde, then try finding every text file in your current spot, listing just the folders inside documents and spotting whatever you've touched in the last day. Each one shows you something real about your own system. Run them slowly, read the output, and notice how find quietly answers questions you didn't know you could ask. And just like that, you can locate any file on your system. You've got the 4 pillars: searching by name, filtering files versus folders, narrowing by size or age, and always quoting your patterns. Next up is locate, find's faster sister that uses a pre-built index for instant results. Together they're unbeatable: locate for speed, find for accuracy. Tom's notes.txt. It'll never be lost again. See you in Lesson 17.